Throw exception. In Java, exceptions help us create robust code where errors are identified during compile time rather than runtime, enhancing code quality. Additionally, custom exceptions aid in easier debugging and recovery processes. The throw keyword in Java is utilized to explicitly throw an exception, specifying the exception object along with an error message for detailed description. These exceptions may stem from user inputs, server interactions, and more. We have two types of exceptions in Java: checked and unchecked exceptions. These exceptions can be thrown using the throw keyword, primarily for custom exception handling. Custom exceptions will be elaborated on further in this section, offering developers flexibility in managing exceptional scenarios. Simple example demonstrating how to throw an exception. In this example, we have a checkAge method that takes an age parameter. Inside the checkAge method, we check if the age is less than 18. If it is, we throw an exception with a message indicating that an underage person is not allowed. In the main method, we call the checkAge method with an age of 15. Since the age is less than 18, the checkAge method throws an exception. We catch the exception in the main method's try-catch block and print the exception message. This example demonstrates how to throw a custom exception using the throw keyword. Throwing exceptions allows you to handle exceptional situations in your code and provide meaningful error messages to the user or the calling code. See you again. Thank you.